Hello and welcome to Adorable Kitchen. I'm going to show you how I prepared this yummy patty jollof rice. Let's get cooking. I used turkey in this recipe. I have a separate video that shows how I prepared this turkey. I washed the ginger, the garlic, the tomatoes, the onion and the bell pepper. After washing them, I blended them. Boil the pepper and the tomato mixture until the water dries out. So as we all know, patty jollof rice is never soggy, okay? So we don't have to parboil the rice. Just soak the rice in hot water for about 15 to 20 minutes. There is no patty jollof rice without tomato paste. This is what will make the color to pop. I grilled the turkey. I used the stock from this turkey to prepare the jollof rice. Remember to keep an eye on the pepper and the tomato mixture to avoid it from burning. After soaking the rice for about 20 minutes, I washed it several times until the water coming out from it became very clean. I used vegetable oil to fry this tomato stew. So I added the onion. I seasoned it by adding bay leaf, thyme, and rosemary. So this is where the magic is going to happen, the jollof magic. So I added the stock from the turkey. I added the fried tomato stew to it. If you noticed, I did not add all of them. I just added a little because I don't want this to be too thick. If it is too thick at this stage, it is going to make the rice to burn. After that, you can season this now. And I added salt and pepper. I did not add more seasoning cube to this because I felt the seasoning from the stock is enough for me, but at this stage you can add whatever you want. I added this jollof rice spice. It made the rice to have the smoky, the smoky flavor. Make sure you don't add too much water. The quantity you should add should be just at the level of the rice. Then after this, you cover with a foil paper and turn down the heat. Turn down the stove to the lowest. The foil is going to retain the heat inside and help the rice to steam, okay? Remember, we are literally steaming this rice. We are not even boiling it. After about 15 minutes, check on the rice. At this stage, you can add the remaining fried tomato stew. Mix everything together and cover with foil paper. Continue to cook for another 10 to 15 minutes or until the rice is soft. Even if you feel that it is not soft enough for you, do not add more water, okay? You just need to cover with the foil to retain the heat. Make sure your stove is turned down to the lowest and continue to steam this jollof, okay? Just steam and check every 5 to 10 minutes until you achieve your desired texture. After I steamed the rice for more 10 minutes, it became soft. So I added this green bell pepper, red bell pepper and peas just to take this rice to another level. And this is the end product. This rice was so easy to make and it tasted so good. I want you to try this rice at home. Try to make this rice. You'll be amazed at the end result. So please guys, thank you so much for watching. Please, I want you to like this video, to share it, to comment, and most importantly to subscribe to this channel. Subscription is 100% free, okay? The reason for you subscribing is just to be notified whenever I upload new cooking videos. Thank you and God bless you. Bye.